A security audit is an objective review of a particular codebase or smart contract. The goal is to identify security vulnerabilities, optimizations, and coding styles. Audits serve to mitigate smart contract risks. At this time there is no pass or fail in an audit. It's best to view them as an unbiased assessment. To access our audit, head to the Security Leaderboard, find the project you'd like to review, go to their page. Under Audit History click View PDF. After the title page, you'll see the table of contents, which gives an overview of the report. The summary section defines what is being audited, the process, and the goals of the security audit. In Overview, you'll find the project summary, audit summary, and vulnerability summary. Findings are where the vulnerabilities are broken down on a technical level. Here are our top tips for navigating a CertiK audit. Always read the audit report in full. Make sure the audit matches the contracts you're researching. Audits are only one part of the do-your-own-research process. To learn about audits, visit certik.com/resources.